Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm like super up close in the camera. Let me back up. Anyway, today's video, I'm going to be styling these shelves right behind me. In my last video that I uploaded, which was an IKEA shop with me and a haul video, if you haven't watched it, I'll go ahead and link it up here and down below. But in that video, I purchased these shelves and some decor elements. So I really just want to get it all together today. I have a DIY project that I'm going to install. Hopefully I can install it. And I'll show you guys everything that I used for that and how I did it. I also have to say, this is kind of giving me a very nostalgic feeling because the very first video that I ever uploaded to my channel was a how I style my shelves video. And this is just kind of reminding me of that. If you haven't watched it, give it a watch. It's the very first video that I ever uploaded. And it was so awkward, like just the way that I was talking was so awkward, but it's actually a really cool video, so go ahead and check it out if you want. Anyway, if you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you guys hit the button down below. It would mean the world to me, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing that I like to do is I like to just gather all the decor items all together. I just want to get a good visualization of everything that I have, and if I see like a color palette going on or something like that, I like to just picture it all together. So that's what I have. I'll show you guys right now actually. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. These are all the decor pieces. This is the DIY that I have, and I'll show you guys later on in this video. But one of the main things that I really wanted with this shelf was a storage solution for beauty products. And so this is what I have. I have this little gold tray, and I have a couple of like little boxes that I have too, and like this basket that I can use. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Let's get it all together. Alright, so the first thing that I do before I start putting things on the shelf, I like to start with kind of the heavier items. So I started with this vase here because it is kind of a bigger vase. It has some weight to it. So, and also as you can see, this shelf has kind of like different grids. It's four shelves, well, including the top, which is like 5 technically, but it's 2-sided. So kind of like have these little boxes, and this is what I'm going to use kind of as a outline. So anyway, the first thing I like to do is get all the heavy items. So I have this vase, and the next thing I'm going to use is the stack of books because this is definitely heavy, and it's weighted. So I'm going to go ahead and put this probably here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with kind of the heavier items and then style the lighter pieces on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and time lapse this because I like to just like rearrange and see where things look best at. So I'll go ahead and just time lapse this whole thing and show you guys at the end. So this is what I got so far. I don't think it's fully completed because I really want to get some like wicker baskets for the bottom here just to like balance it out, just because I feel like these 3 don't really flow well. I really love kind of like the touch of wood elements and like wicker with the gold accents, and yeah, I think it's also super practical. I can easily reach for product, and if I want to try something out, it's all on display. Plus I think it looks beautiful. Alright, so for this DIY light pendant, all you need is 4 things. So I have the Hema light cord, which is actually I put in already, so I can't really like take it out to show you guys, but it's just the light cord that's $7 at IKEA, and then I got a regular light bulb as well. And then I have the Signad basket. I don't know how to pronounce it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut off the handles here. So it looks pretty easy. It looks like I can just cut through it. So let's see. So as you can see, it comes off pretty easy. I would probably recommend a box cutter if you have one. I don't have one, but I think that would just be so much easier because it was kind of hard to get the scissors like inside of it. And then once you get the kind of like wrapping off, you'll just have to pull it out. It is nailed together, so you just need to yank it out. It's not too hard, so you just need to pull it out. So I'm just gonna finish this one and then do the other side. Alright, so I have the handles off. As you can see, it was super easy. You just have to pull off the wrapping and then pull off the handles, which is super easy. So the next thing that Angel actually did this off camera, so I can't really like show you guys in action, but I'll tell you exactly what he did. Alright, so I'll show you how we put the cord into the basket. So there wasn't really a way that we could drill a hole straight through because I didn't want to crack or ruin anything. So what Angel did was he actually cut this part here, and then he started to saw right into the center, so that way we could slip the cord right in, and then we super glued it back together. It actually kind of looks a little messy, but it's okay. You're not even gonna see that part. It's gonna be hanging up, so you won't even be able to see the top. But yeah, that's essentially how we got the cord in, because that was a little difficult. I didn't want to ruin it or crack anything, but yeah, it came out good. It was super easy. So now the cord actually came with these hooks. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole into the ceiling, and hopefully we can get this baby up. All right, wish me luck. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this little hook here and my power drill, and I'm gonna just put it right in the corner. Hopefully I can reach because I'm really short. I can't reach. Okay, yeah, not gonna happen. Right in the corner there.
Oh, drill this?
Yeah. Well, I think you need to drill the hole in first, and then, well, you probably need a bigger drill bit. Okay, hold on. So my brother actually had to help me because I could not reach for the ceiling. So this is it. The only thing we had trouble with was balancing it and having it secured for somewhere to like hold the weight up, because if you don't secure this cord, it's just gonna fall down pretty much. It's like a piñata. I don't know if you guys have ever hung a piñata before, but it's all about balance. So what I did was a little makeshift secure. So you probably can't even see this, but right here is a clear piece of tape, and all I did was secure the back of the cord to this panel of the shelf. Now I know that not every one of you guys will have this exact setup and like shelf to do it, but I would definitely maybe recommend something to secure to the wall. Like I know that they have a cover for cords for like when you mount a TV, so I'd probably recommend finding something like that. But what I'm just gonna do for now is just tape this and secure it. And then luckily I do have a outlet here, so I'll plug that in and just show you guys actually how it looks. All right, and that is it on. I love how it turned out, and I really like the shadow that I cast. I think it's super cozy and just really unique. So alright guys, well that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys did the DIY. I would love to know, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.